Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, big thank you to all my subscribers. And this week I'm going to be using some scrap wood and a couple of pieces of new CLS timber to make a flip-top cart. Now my workshop's not very big, so I'm limited on space. When I want to use my benchtop machinery, I have to move things about. So hopefully a flip-top cart will keep everything in one place and will just generally make life easier. Right, I'm starting this build by cutting down all the parts I need for my cart. I'm going to cut these pieces in half lengthways, but because they're quite chunky, I'm going to do it in multiple passes. I'm drilling holes for the pivot point bolts. These pieces of wood are too wide for the clamp on my pocket hole jig, so I'm just using a quick clamp to hold it in place. And what I'm going to do is put one pocket hole on this side and then one pocket hole on the other side. Now I'm going to start assembling it with pocket hole screws, and I'm using some 2-inch coarse thread screws. Now I'm adding stretchers to the bottom of the sides. Here I'm fitting casters to the bottom of the frame. Now I'm going to start cutting some plywood to size for the top of my flip top cart. Right, I've been out and I've bought some CLS timber to make the framework for the top of the flip top cart, and now I'm just going to cut it into the pieces that I need. I'm going to assemble this framework with pocket holes. Before I assemble the frame for the top, I drill holes for the pivot bolts. Right, I'm just going to use a 10mm brad point bit to mark where I need to drill my holes. I'm fitting T-nuts as mounting points for the machinery. Now I fit the top frame and glue and screw plywood to the top frame. Right, it's time to bolt the sander in place, and each bolt is going to get a shake-proof washer and a large flat washer. Right, I've cut some triangular pieces and I'm going to use these to brace the frame. Now I'm going to drill some holes through the sides and into the flip top for some bolts. And this is my completed flip top cart. All I have to do is remove the bolts, then carefully rotate it round. Reinsert the bolts. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.